Hello everybody, and if anybody is wondering why I'm really skinny right now, it's because I have to eat this food bank food and it's disgusting. Like, there was like little hairs in it and like, ugh, it's just disgusting. But and also I've constantly been under mind control my whole life. So I'm getting out of it, but it's difficult, like, to get rid of any habit. And so yeah, but I believe if we're steadfast in prayer, anything's possible. And I also just want to see that we have an astral situation right now, with multiple people, and that's my astral life. I'm not really sure like what's going on with it though, so I kind of want to contact like a psychic or something, but I believe we're not meant to like do that kind of stuff. So yeah, but right now I'm not speaking to any men though, so I'm just kind of in this in-between phase and just kind of like seeing what's gonna happen. But yeah, and if anybody does watch my page, a good way to face your fears is by remembering a fear you've already faced, and if you can do that, you can do it. And remember, most things here are fake, so that's why it's called the Matrix. Matrix, get it? Tricking you. So don't let anybody be tricking you, and be yourself, because that's the most valuable thing. The people who are themselves can't be replaced. So yeah, and I have been having an issue with my phone as well. I'm pretty sure my phone is like tapped from the inside, and I think that might be when they took me to the police station, they might have done it. One time I was locked out of my phone when I had an emergency, so being a TI, I'm always prepared for the worst. But if I do stop posting or anything, that's because they locked me out my phone again. And yeah, but I'll talk to all of you guys later, and I really care about all of you guys, and I hope you're all happy and living a good life, focusing on the commandments of the Lord, and achieving everything you want to fulfill in your life, and staying away from the wrong things and people, and also being sober-minded, being vigilant, because your enemy, the devil, prowls around like a roaring lion, seeking whom he may devour. But another thing I wanted to say is, I have multiple males right now saying they're my husband, but I've never married anybody, so it's a bit confusing, and I am in a phase where I want to be single. I'm just getting back into like exploring sexual activity and like seeing if I want to engage in sexual activity, but it would have to be with the right guy. And it's been raining a lot here in the UK, and I like the rain, Today it's sunny, but yeah, I always have since a child. I've always liked the rain. I thought it was so refreshing and everything, but so yeah, and make sure you're on a good diet, make sure you're doing natural things, and enjoy your life, all of you, and thank God every day for another day. So thank you for watching.